It takes billions of gallons to fuel flights from all over the world every year.
Jet fuel costs are one of the largest expenses for an airline.
A cost that consumers pay for to go on trips, but new research is turning to a more sustainable way to fuel those flights.
Everything you flush down the toilet or throw away in the trash, I can find someone that can take that carbon and turn it into jet fuel.
Joshua Hine is the director of Byproduct Sciences and Engineering Lab at Washington State University in the Tri-Cities. They have found that a certain material you find in types of plants like corn and certain trees can be used to fuel planes.
Lignin is the material that gives plants a lot of their structure and makes them strong. So naturally, it's one of the more difficult things to work with to convert into other useful products.
Bin Yang is the professor behind turning lignin that otherwise would be tossed away into a green alternative. Much of the process is broken down in his lab.
So we have a thermal catalysis process, separate the components, and I can put the carbohydrates for ethanol production.
With jet fuel expected to climb higher in price, turning to a much different approach that doesn't take much time at all.
Less than an hour. And we have a continuous. So now you have it continuous. What that means, you continue feeds, continue produce.
Will help the environment and eventually the bottom line of airlines and consumers.
Now, the two researchers you just heard from said the plant-based fuels could not only help reduce our carbon footprint, but also meet international carbon neutrality goals. Tim, back to you.
All right, Joe, thanks a lot. Very interesting and promising, too.